just gonna be on the phone for a minute with my human. Oh, hi! It's so nice to hear you. It's Mommy Tweet. Did you know that? Yeah. So I was just wondering, if you're not too busy, are you able to babysit Baby Tweet and Baby Wheat? Because guess where I'm going? To the hair salon. And I need to get my lashes done. I actually have a day off from work. Thank you so much. Oh, no problem. I will see you soon, lovely. Okay, ciao.